Today I'm decided to put my Christmas tree. It's already September, first week of September actually, and here in the Philippines, if everyone doesn't know, but here in the Philippines, it's bare months, our Christmas began already. So I'm gonna put my Christmas tree and I'm gonna show you. I'm very excited because this year I've decided to have a white Christmas tree and blue decoration. The long one is my Christmas tree. Actually, I bought this last year, and the two packages are my decoration for my Christmas tree. So we're gonna open it. Our Christmas tree. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm not done yet. I have to put more. We have a carolers, everyone. Candy og chocolate, okay ra ninyo?
Okay ra.
Pila mo kabuok? Para maabot.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay. Siapa?
Thank you. Ang mabait ninyo. Thank you.
Siapa? Siapa? Kulit na ito. Okay.
Thank you. Ang mabait ninyo. Thank you.
Yeah. Nice. Very nice.
Oh, Aya, turn around. Turn around. The model of Shein. The model of Gucci. Louis Vuitton.
Prada.
Oh my god.
It's not, I think 2 days ago was the opening here in the Christmas lights.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ano ko picture?
Sige, come, let's picture now.
You want one there?
Yeah, wait. This is the Plaza's Christmas lights.
Plaza where?
In Maasin City. It's nice. My husband's with me. Buo ka na vlog. Oh. We do have a fountain.
So guys, every year, like every Christmas here in Maasin, they have a different kind of decoration, Christmas decoration here. But this time it's a lot more nicer, I think. I like that. But I wasn't able to come here, to visit here where it was.
Take a video in the fountain.
There were just a lot of people with a lot of people. I hate people. Just kidding.
Oh my god, it's like rain. Kaya nakabidyo ito ang fountain pin. Pang-interview mo si Mabaka. Oh, balik pa tayo. Din, kita tulog din. Kita ba tulog?
I don't like my outfit.
Ano mo, mga outfit?
It's a video.
Wow! Welcome to the city of Maasin.
Welcome to Maasin.
This is the December's Christmas lights here. Oh my god, their stars are so huge. Look, boy.
That's a traditional Filipino Christmas star.
Monday, tried ako ng quarter. Patunga.
Water fountain. It's very nice. Fountain?
Yeah, fountain.
Wow. There's also a fountain behind there. That's their tunnel of lights there.
Sadang sot. Wood. Water there, water.
Ano ka water yung about the We're buying some fireworks for New Year. And she gave us a lot of freebies. Oh my god. So today we're gonna give some food back to the kids because it's December 23 actually today. I decided to give them some food before Christmas. It's like a Christmas gift to the kids. And I hope they're gonna like this one. I told my husband I wanted my YouTube money to buy some food pack for the kids, and then he said it's a good idea. This is the food pack that I ordered. It's 40 pieces actually.
watsa. Rahu.
So we're done. We're gonna give the others to my other cousin kids. We're having our Christmas party for girls' night tonight. I'm with my sister, my cousin, my mama, and my grandma. Tessa. Ingat sa likod, imong buhok ko. We have a rice, mixed seafood, grilled fish, a pork. Oh, apira na mo kayo. Tagmasarap ako. We're gonna do our exchanging gift. Photographer. And now we're done. We're gonna go home soon. So tonight we're gonna make our games for tomorrow, Christmas Eve. I'm with Kit Kit. She's gonna help me. We're gonna poke a hole here in the middle, and we have a string. So each of them is gonna like they're gonna get the string like that. So they're gonna get like a prize, but everyone won't know what's the prize. It's gonna be like a mystery prize for tomorrow. Then we're gonna make more. I don't know what we're gonna do, but I have a videos already to watch, and I have a list in my notes. So tomorrow I'm gonna record so you guys can watch it. So here, these are one of the prizes for tomorrow. I have here a bear. Of course, this is for the men. And some grocery stuff here. So I'm gonna count the coins I have in my piglet, in my piggy bank. It's very heavy actually. I'm counting them early. Actually, it's not New Year yet. I'm supposed to give this to the people in New Year's Eve. Oh my god, it's so heavy. This one here. It's so heavy. It's so full now. So it's so full, so I have to put my other coins in the Gatorade. In the Gatorade bottle. It's also full of coins. So I don't know how much is in here, because unlike the other years I put some bills, but this time I don't think I put some bills because I wanted to know how much coins I can save. So we're gonna count it now. I was actually about to count this like almost New Year. It's just today is December 22, and then I decided to count it now because it's full. So if I have other coins, I'm gonna put it here again. So I'll show you later how much we can gather. We just finished counting. Jit actually helped me. The total is 4,988. It's actually big. It's actually one ice cream of, big Tupperware of ice cream. Wait, I'm gonna show it to you. This is it. I decided to put it here because we don't use this, and it's easy for me. I'm just gonna carry this, even though I can't carry. It's really heavy. Wow, this is my savings of coins for 1 year. And the other coins, I actually use it and I gave it away to the kids before when they were caroling us. Charan, I'm very excited for New Year. We're having our Christmas dinner now. This is what we have. We got some dessert here. Mashed potato, lumpia, ham, spaghetti, vegetable, of course, a pancit. Yeah, wait, they're just getting food. Now we're going to start our family game. My grandparents are here, my parents, and my other family. We're playing a Jenga right now. Ikaw pa dali. Ay, hindi. Mahilig dali. Dali dito. Yan.
Alala, bubu! Ako naman kaya na.
Ay, pag-ibig. Akawin na lakas, pag-ibig. Katanya, dali. Ikaw mo, hindi mo. Musil, gano'n ba? Hoy. Sige, sige.
Dale, I got you something. Yay! No!
Kian, ang itch, Kian. Kian, ang itch, Kian. Look, there's so many kids here. Dale! Merry Christmas, Dale!
No!
Oh no. We're gonna toss the coins now. Wait sa tin. Ito pa usa. Wait, just bagay ha? Hoy, isang mo dito! Okay, 1, 2. Hoy, ang mga bata nakagumay. 1, 2, 3, go! Hoy, ang ijong makaiko! Pa! Pa! Okay, you got that. That's yours. Natagis ko. Wait, boy, I'm still my saying. Hoy, naldango ka na nakadaan. Hoy, din.
Sa ijang tigibang. Care talaga.
We're gonna do our gift. Now we're gonna open gifts with my family. We're playing a catch the hot dog challenge. Gia, move! Kian! Kian!
Okay.
Slow, slow.
Tossing the coins to the people and look at them. They're so happy. They're still looking for coins. Neighbors. My family.